All right, guys, who's ready for the next talk? This is going to be a real treat. Sota and I actually go way back to when we were both like Polkadot ambassadors together, and this is like 2-3 years ago at this point. This is before Polkadot was even launched. So it's great that we get to hear from him, and we don't get to hear from him just about anything. We get to hear to him about use cases with parachains, which he's probably been thinking about for longer than most people have even heard about Polkadot. So it's going to be really fantastic, and really fantastic that we're hearing about him from this. So, I'm just going to stop talking and I'm going to hand it off to him. Sota, please take the floor and take it from here.
Yeah, thank you, Jesse, and thank you for Web3 Foundation and Parity Technologies for hosting and arranging the wonderful meetup and the biggest meetup in the Polkadot ecosystem. So my name is Sota Watanabe. I'm founder of Stake Technologies. Stake Technology is the company behind the Plasm Network and also Shiden Network. So we are going to launch 2 networks. So Shiden Network is going to be Kusama Parachain, and the Plasm Network is going to be Polkadot Parachain. And today I'm going to talk about first cross-chain use cases on Rococo. So Rococo is the Polkadot testnet, and it's running. So basically the testnet for all parachain. Yeah. Before I start, I would like to talk about a little bit about Plasm Network and Shiden Network. So Plasm Network is the premier multi-chain smart contract hub supporting DeFi, NFT, and decentralized autonomous organization. So we have started making Plasm Network for more than 2 years, so back in 2019, and we have done lock drop. So lock drop is one of the best way to distribute token for the community, and for more than 150K ETH are locked on our smart contract, so which is good. And also more than 10K members are in our ecosystem, and our ecosystem is getting bigger and bigger. And the last one is our ecosystem. So our ecosystem has more than 40 projects right now, and expanding rapidly. Yeah, so what is Polkadot and what is Plasm Networks? So Polkadot consists of relay chain and the parachain. So relay chain is the heart of the Polkadot, and the parachain has the own logic. So parachain can be IoT chain, DeFi chain, like smart contract chain, and so on. Polkadot relay chain, the heart of the Polkadot, does not support smart contract functionality by design. So all the people in this ecosystem need at least one parachain that supports smart contract. So this is where Plasm Networks comes in. And we are also making the bridges between Ethereum, the Cosmos, and the Binance Smart Chain, and so on. So Plasm Network 1.0 is going to be a Polkadot parachain, but Plasm Network 2.0 is going to be a multi-chain smart contract hub. Yeah, and also I would like to talk about our achievements so far. So we got 6 grants from the Web3 Foundation, and we have already delivered 5 grants out of 6. So receiving a grant and delivering a grant are 2 different things. And we have already delivered 5 grants so far. And second one is we became the first Rococo parachain, Rococo version 1, and we became the second Rococo version 1 parachain. Sorry, the first Rococo version 0 parachain and the second Rococo version 1 parachain. So we have enough experiences on Rococo right now. And also we are supporting both Ethereum virtual machine and also WebAssembly on Polkadot testnet. So you can deploy Solidity contract as well as Ink contract. And the difference between Plasm Network and the other parachain, we are implementing the interaction between WebAssembly environments and also Ethereum virtual machine environment. So if you deploy smart contract on Ethereum virtual machine environment, you can interact with the WebAssembly environments. Yeah, also we have completed the first ever cross-chain message passing with Acala. So interoperability has been a buzzword for more than 2 years or something like that, but it became a reality from this moment. Yeah, So we are supporting the both Ethereum virtual machine as well as WebAssembly. So we call it cross VM, cross virtual machine implementation. So we are supporting Ethereum Solidity, Viper, and Ink. Yeah, and also you can deploy Ethereum Solidity contract or Viper contract by using MetaMask, Truffle, Hardhat, and Remix, and so on. And our original implementation is Dapp staking. So this is a very interesting feature. So by making application or by making infrastructure on the top of Plasm Network, you can PLM token as a basic income. So if you are developing, so let's say you are developing on Ethereum, you have to pay gas. So in some sense, you are going to lose money because you have to pay the gas. However, if you are developing on Plasm Network, you can the PLM token from block rewards. So block is mined, ideally forever. So 50% of block rewards goes to developer so that they can get block rewards and they have to pay the gas fee. But block rewards should be much higher than the gas fee. So we are providing basic income. And we are also implementing layer 2. I don't talk about layer 2 solution today, but we are supporting Plasma, Rollup, and also State Channel. Yeah, and we are going to launch Shiden Network. Shiden Network is a multi-chain Dapp hub on Kusama, and the Kusama Parachain auction is coming, so it's a really exciting moment for us. And we're gonna do our best to become one of the first Kusama Parachain. Yeah, so let's talk about cross-chain use cases. And when I say cross-chain, we have three important topics. The first one is the multi-chain bridges. So the parachain can be a bridge between Polkadot and another layer 1 blockchain, such as Ethereum, Cosmos, or Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche, and so on. And in our ecosystem, we have already supporting Ethereum bridge. Some of the Ethereum bridge, such as ChainSafe, Snowfork, and so on. And we have supported Cosmos. So I'm going to show you a demo regarding the Cosmos bridge. In addition to that, we are implementing the trustless Ethereum bridge by ourselves. And second area is cross-chain messaging passing. So this is the original feature of the Polkadot. So all parachain can interact with each other. And I'm going to show you how to interact with the Plasm Network and other parachain. Yeah, last one is the multi-virtual machine. So there are a lot of virtual machine in the blockchain ecosystem, such as Ethereum virtual machine and WebAssembly and also optimistic virtual machine and so on. And we are supporting Ethereum virtual machine, WebAssembly, and also OVM, optimistic virtual machine. So yeah, EVM is slow and WebAssembly is fast, but a lot of developer has already developed Solidity contract on the top of Ethereum. So I think EVM is going to be really necessary in the short run. But I believe that future is WebAssembly, so we are supporting both. Yeah, so what's Rococo? So Rococo is a testnet for Parachain, and we have already connected our blockchain to Rococo. Actually, more than 10 projects have connected their blockchain to Rococo, and they can interact with each other. And we have connected our blockchain to Rococo, and the Acala connected their blockchain to Rococo, so we can interact each other. So Kusama relay chain and the Polkadot relay chain does not support the parachain yet. So Rococo is the testnet for the parachain, and we can interact with each other to make cross-chain use cases. All right, so I'm gonna show you a demo. Cool. So what we are doing right now is I'm going to connect Plasm Network, the blockchain, by using Polkadot.js. And also I'm connecting the Acala, the blockchain, by using Polkadot.js. So we are connecting two different blockchains right now. Right? Then so Acala, to make cross-chain messaging passings, we have to open a channel between parachain A to parachain B, in this case, Plasm Network and Acala. And we have to run Collator on both blockchain. So Collator is a full node for the Parachain. And Acala made the palette called cross token. So this is the standard for the cross-chain messaging passing. So what we are doing right now is we are going to send 42 PLM token to Acala by using cross token palette. Let's sign the transaction and just send the transaction from PLM Plasm to Acala. So block is mined. So you can see we send the PLM token right now. Yeah, since Plasm Network and Acala are two different blockchain, we have to finalize our block on Plasm and we have to finalize block on Acala. And you can see PLM token here on Acala blockchain because we have already sent PLM token to Acala blockchain by using Acala's cross token palette. So this is the demo of the cross-chain messaging passing. So it looks simple, but this is a historical moment for us. So as we can see, if we connect our blockchain to Acala, we can integrate Acala's USD stablecoin to our DeFi and NFT services application on Plasm, such as QuickSwap and Bondly. And also, we can export PLM token to Acala. So Acala is making a decentralized exchange on their Acala's blockchain. So on the top of Acala blockchain, they can use PLM token. And the PLM token can be changed to, AUSD or Lapta Bitcoin and so on. And the potential use cases can be a lending protocol on our Ethereum virtual machine and also WebAssembly. So AUSD can be used on both virtual machine on Plasm Network. And another exciting use case is Lapta Bitcoin, called Polkadot BTC, made by Interlay. So which is also a very great team in ecosystem. So if we connect Interlay blockchain to Plasm Network, we can import Polkadot BTC to Plasm Network. Since Plasm Network is supporting layer 2 protocol, so we can make Polkadot BTC instant payment on Plasm. So if it is on Bitcoin, we can wait 6 blocks, right? Which is 60 minutes, 1 hour. So no one can wait 1 hour to finalize the transaction, right? But we have a layer 2 solution. So if we import Lapta BTC on Plasm Network, so we can use Lapta BTC on layer 2 so that we can make the instant Bitcoin payment. So this is also one of the my favorite use case. And also we can integrate BTC, the Lapta BTC into Plasm Network applications, such as lending, synthetic asset, and so on. The last one is the transaction cost. So generally speaking, the transaction cost should be paid in PLM token, which is our native token. But in the future, you can pay our transaction fee by using Lapta Bitcoin or Lapta Ethereum and so on. So you don't need to own PLM token to use Plasm Network. So another thing is Ethereum. So we are making the Ethereum bridge, the bridge between Polkadot and Ethereum through Plasm Network right now. So today you can use MetaMask, Truffle, Remix, and so on to deploy smart contract, both on Ethereum and also Plasm Network. And once we make a bridge, we can import ERC20 token, ERC721 token, which is NFT, on Plasm Network. Last one is the ZK rollup. Ethereum does not scale at this moment. So Ethereum is going to be all in on layer 2 solution, especially rollup, optimistic rollup as well as ZK rollup. So we are supporting ZK rollup right now. So you can use exactly the same ZK rollup contract on Plasm Network. The last one is the Cosmos. So we are making the Cosmos bridge. So secret network can be interact with Plasm Network. And we can use Cosmos asset on Plasm Network. And I'm going to show you the final demo. Yep. So what we are doing here is we are implementing EVM and EVM bridge. And this UI is provided by Secret Network team. And Secret Network is built on Cosmos. So we are sending PLM token to Secret Network by using their UI. So the important things is the light one. So PLM on the PLM wallet, we have a 0.989177 token, PLM token. And we are going to send this token, the sum of this token from Plasm Network to Secret Network. And as you can see, the right side, so this is EVM and EVM bridge. So you can use MetaMask, both on Plasm Network and the Secret Network. This is the great stuff, great things for the developer in terms of UI and UX. Yeah, it takes time because we have to finalize the transaction both on the Plasm Network and the Secret Network. And once it is finalized, the number of the PLM token is going to be decreased from 0.987877 to 0.98 blah blah blah. Yeah, it's going to be decreased once the transaction is finalized. Yep. So transaction is finalized, so the amount became the smaller right now. So currently, Plasm Network is not fully deployed yet. So once we deploy the Shiden network, which is our Canary network, we are going to make the Ethereum trustless bridge and also Cosmos bridge on the mainnet. Cool. In summary, so interoperability is not buzzword anymore. So the future is going to be a multi-chain, and we can interact with other parachain as well as other layer 1 blockchain. So this is the future of the blockchain development. And another one is the let's make Web3 together with us. So we are still very early stage, and the Polkadot is just launched. So Web3 is going to be a long journey. So let's make Web3 together with us. Last one is the more option, the better for the ecosystem and developer. So currently there are a lot of parachains, and also there are a lot of Ethereum compatible parachain, but the more options, the better for the developer. And also we are supporting the various the choices for developers, like they can develop their smart contract on Ethereum virtual machine as well as on WebAssembly and so on. Yeah. So lastly, summer parachain auction is coming. So yeah, this is really exciting, and this is going to be a big party for us. So yeah. That's it. Thank you for listening, and I'm really excited to make the Web3 together. Yeah, thank you for having me today.
Oh, amazing. Thank you so much. That was a fantastic talk. And we know you've been building for so long, so that's such a treat to have.
Yeah.
So we do have some few questions, by the way. So NAL, she asked, how fast are the bridge to layer 2 transactions on Plasma? Would latency be an issue when trading on these bridged assets?
Yeah. So the scaling solution on Ethereum and scaling solution on Polkadot are two different things, right? So Polkadot is also a scaling solution, which is the horizontal scaling solution, and we are implementing vertical scaling solution. So Polkadot is the already scalable. So I think TPS is around 2000 or something like that. So we do not need the TPS. So why we are implementing layer 2? The reason is, so the layer 2 solution is not only for TPS, it's also for fast finality and the privacy and security. And the Ethereum, in the Ethereum community, they are going to all in on rollup, right? So we are going to support rollup on Polkadot as well. And in terms of the speed, I'm not sure, but definitely faster than Ethereum right now.
That's fair. Okay, so we got time for one more question, and this is kind of a more personal one. You've been building on Substrate for I don't know how long. What are some like key
2 or 3
takeaways and
years.
some? Yeah, which is a very long time.
Yeah.
What are some key takeaways you've learned and like developing from it, and any wisdom you can impart to new Substrate developers getting into it?
Yeah. I think that Substrate is the best, platform to build layer 1 application because the Substrate changed the way how to make blockchain and application. So before the Substrate, we have to adjust our idea to blockchains because we cannot change blockchain itself, right? So we cannot change the finality, we cannot change the block production time, and we cannot change consensus algorithm without hard fork. But Substrate changed the way how to make a blockchain and application because Substrate is the customizable, so we can change blockchain based on our idea. So this is the the great innovation in the blockchain ecosystem. That's why a lot of projects are using Substrate and they're going to make a parachain. And the another thing is, if we can make the palette or let's say, if we can make the palette, we can use that palette for the other parachain, right? So we have a networking effect. All parachain are even Polkadot relay chain based on the Substrate. So we can use exactly the same contract or palette, or let's say implementation for the other parachain. So network is going to be stronger and stronger. Yeah, I think that's a
That's
great part of
amazing.
the Substrate.
Oh yeah, no, that's one of my favorite things about it too. That's fantastic. Again, thank you so much for taking the time. It was a true pleasure.